We are grateful for the wonderful and excellent work the Independent National Electoral Commission has been doing for this nation, which has been adjudged by international communities as among the best in the world. And we are grateful that adequate encouragement has been given by the Commission to the observer groups, both domestic and international, in ensuring that we play our role in compliance with the electoral law and adequate support. We are very, very grateful indeed. It is our conviction that with excellent work done by Independent National Electoral Commission and with our experience for the excellent work they did during 2023 general election, the forthcoming Imo and Bayelsa State and Kogi State off-cycling governorship elections will also be credible with adequate and transparent, credible arrangement already put on ground by Independent National Electoral Commission. So it is our candid appeal to the voters, the electorates, to ensure that they come out en masse on 11 November 2023 to perform their civic right and ensuring that they vote for the candidate of their choice. Electoral Commission is for transparency, and they could be adequately assured of adequate provision for security nationwide. And with the standard already set, we believe that Nigeria will continue to be waxing stronger and sustain its credibility and membership of Committee of Civility of the United Nations Organization, because we are going to continue experiencing and enjoying credible electoral process by Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, in Nigeria because of the committed and disciplined staff they've been using along with their national commissioners and others. So we are very grateful indeed, and we continue playing our role in line with the laid down rules and regulations by the observer groups in ensuring that we also contribute our quota to the sustenance of credible electoral process and democracy in Nigeria. God bless Nigeria. Thank you.